you our two models hot sealing laser welding machine for jewelry from Tarnila. This one is our mini size desktop type jewelry laser welding machine, which power is 200 watts with 100 joules. Compact design with built-in water tank, which makes the machine is space-saving for jewelry stores, but also without any sacrificing the welding performance. It is very perfect for gold, silver, stainless steel, platinum, and other metal used for jewelry making. The binocular microscope eliminates the eyes fatigue. This touchscreen control system is more multifunctional. That is not only used for parameters settings, but also can observe the welding details. These parameters also is very friendly and easy for new users. Shielding gas can be collected, so it reduces the oxidation and discoloration on precious jewelry. Just one click for foot switch. You can start your jewelry welding journey. Please feel free to contact our Tarnila for any laser device requirements. We will offer you most professional recommendations and the most reasonable price. Thank you.